Good afternoon from Okinawa, Japan, home of Oki Subies. Today we're continuing on the GC8 disassembly. One of you guys in the comments wanted us to show how to remove the grille from a pre-facelift GC. So let's do it right now. This is a 94 GC8. Actually 6-speed swapping it right now, but really simple. So right on the top are these two holes. And inside these two holes are little clips that you push down. So I'm going to use this screwdriver right here to push down on these clips. And if you can get a little closer, Dave, you might be able to see them. So these holes here, if you look down into the hole, you might be able to see that there is a clip down there. Okay, regardless, here we go. Let's just do it real time. So you push down on it to release it. Push down on this other side to release it. It pulls right back out. And then it has these two little knobs that go down into the headlight. So again, on the deal, you push down on this bad boy right here on both sides, né? Push down on these, which releases it from, if you look right here, this portion of the headlight. And then the bottom little nipple there slides into the hole that's on the headlight too. And then you pull back. It's got these two little clips for alignment. They align with those holes. Yeah, really simple to remove and to install.